Hi, I'm John from John's Jeep Garage, and today we removed some window tint on a Jeep Wrangler. A friend and I together wanted to remove the top window tint that is used as like the sun visor in some of the Jeeps, but this was very dark and it was inconvenient and it was preventing him from seeing clearly when he pulled up to a red light. So I've removed window tint before, and the same method applies. Wanted to show you a very quick video on how we did it and what you need. A razor blade knife, one that's in a scraper form. I have a heat gun. This is a Wagner, kind of a heat gun when you strip paint. It has 2 heat settings, and put it on the slowest setting, and you got to regulate the temperature and feel it, but this is all you really need. I have Windex and Simple Green. A lot of people just use Windex or a glass cleaner. This to me is one of the best things because any glue that's left over, this really lubricates the glass and makes the breaking apart of the glue very easy. Just spray it directly on there, and I know people say that may make your glass foggy and not as clear, but of course I follow up Windex, and we got a great result. So just look at this video. There's not a lot of steps. We're just showing you the highlights, and if you have any questions, you can always shoot a comment. And if you like this, please like on the video and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot of new stuff we have coming. Thank you. Looks like we have a visitor to John's Jeep Garage. Welcome.
Jeep Garage now.
So we're starting to get this warmed up. Darren's on the outside. We're trying to remove the tint from this Jeep. You can see we've already done the first half. And I'm gonna take a razor. I'm gonna get this started. Yeah, looks good. Set this down. And then we just start. My fingers are in the way of the camera, but we start peeling this away. And if you look, what happens is the glue breaks. It doesn't kind of leave a trail. We got a little trail on the bottom, but as he heats it, and we're trying to, we could have used the heat gun from the inside, but it was just a little bit too much heat. So we're just slowly doing it. And I could rip this really quick, but we notice when we do that and we don't apply the heat, it leaves a little glue on the glass. There's a few spots we'll need to trim up, but there's Darren.
Hello.
And we are at John's Jeep Garage doing a quick one. We use a little Simple Green first with a razor blade to get the little pieces of glue that we left. So I'm just using this to kind of get the heavier glue, but it does it really easy. You notice I put paper towels on the bottom so I don't. And then we put a little Windex on there to shine it up, and it looks perfect.
It's awesome.
Thank you for visiting John's Jeep Garage. And if you like this video, as you know, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.